Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greeting to all of us. On this occasion, I am Herdina Eko from Business Education A 2018. Would like to present my thesis proposal with the title the effect of online shopping intention, perceived ease of use, and perceived benefit on online shopping intention of vitamin product in DKI Jakarta. This research was motivated by the emergency of the coronavirus pandemic of COVID-19, which result in all activity carried out outside the home being limited. The problem has become more serious since the establishment of the PPKM. This makes people have to do all activity at home instead of working from home, remote communication, and shopping for all their needs from home via online. Online shopping is the best way during the current pandemic because of being able to avoid crowd. The advantage of online shopping are that it can save me an effort and the price overall are cheaper than in store and can sort the liquid product. Based on the picture, the product that sell best during the pandemic are health products. In 2019, sales of health products were 29.1%, new insurance to 14.1% in 2021. According to Mustakim, 2019, that the Indonesia people during of COVID-19 pandemic has stomach more supplement. It can be seen in the figure the 19.4% of Indonesia customer vitamin C during the pandemic. Furthermore, the COVID-19 pandemic has made the Indonesia people switch from offline shopping to online shopping through various e-commerce. I can be seen in the figure that the most frequently visited e-commerce is Tokopedia, with 127.8 million visitors in the second quarter 2021, followed by Shopee, Bukalapak, Lazada, and Blibli. This makes sale of vitamin products through e-commerce experience and in search. This high sale of vitamin product can open a gap for review element to distribute counterfeit product. This is coupled with sales made online based on the result of the study for Katadata.co.id, which tell about a verified employed in DKI Jakarta who were fake vitamin product in a e-commerce store. This makes people have a sense of anxiety to buy vitamin product online. However, based on the 2020 research by Fabrina and colleagues, 5.7% on the public toward high online shopping intention, meaning that customers have a strong desire and readiness to purchase product online to avoid the COVID-19 virus. Customers who have a high level of online shopping intention have no anxiety about the product they buy online. Betty and Claudio 2020 research also explained that 15.48% of Pakistan do not have any anxiety about the product they buy, whether to an avenue or fact, because it can be seen from the review of the product they want to buy. There are 4 problem formula in this study. Namely, does one's shopping anxiety affect online shopping intention? 2. Does perceived ease of use affect uh, online shopping intention? 3. Does perfect benefit affect online shopping intention? 4. Does online shopping anxiety affect perceived ease of use? Based on the formulation of the existing problem, this purpose of this study is to determine whether online shopping anxiety has an effect on online shopping intention. 2. To find out of the perceived age of perceived perceived age of use has an effect on online shopping intention. 3. To find out whether perceived benefit have an effect on online shopping intention. 5. 4. To find out, out whether online shopping anxiety has an effect on perceived age of use. Then there is the theoretical basis. The first variable is online shopping intention. According to Pavlov 2003, online shopping intention is a condition of customers who have a desire to shopping online. According to Husnan 2015, there are several advance in doing online shopping, which can be done anytime and anywhere, does not spend a lot of energy is to compare that product. The second variable is the online shopping anxiety. According to Srinivasan 2015, in Dewi and Fanny 2017, explained that online shopping anxiety is a part of negative feeling moment to do online shopping. According to Dewi and Fan 2020, anxiety refer to customer rate of purchase product because some customers do not understand the feature of the e-commerce. The third variable is perceived as of use. According to David 1819 in Mutahar and Fine 2018, definite perceived as of use as a customer believes that the use of certain e-commerce can be easily understood with requiring has effort, thus do require a lot of time and effort to the customer happy to do shopping online. The fourth variable is perceived benefit. According to Teasing and colleagues in 2021, perceived benefit is an activity that makes customers have the satisfaction and happiness to do shopping online. This satisfaction occurs because the select e-commerce has convenience can have time and effort and offer various types of product with your without having to shop direct at the store. First, there is online shopping anxiety against online shopping intention. Research conducted by Dewi and colleagues 2020, Nagar and Kondatra 2016, Pakit 2016, Balaji and college 2013, Juniati 2015, and Hassan and College 2017. So I can be called that online shopping incentive has a negative relation with online shopping intention. Second, there is perceived of use again online shopping intention. Research found by Srinivan 2015, Faki 2015, Wu and Ke 2015. So I can be called the perceived of use has the significant positive effect on online shopping intention. Three, there is a perceived benefit to online shopping intention. Research conducted by Dong and College 2021, Kim and College 2018, and Komalasar 2021, Kim and College 2008. So I can be count that the perceived benefit has a significant positive effect on online shopping intention. Last, there is online shopping initiative against perfect as of use. Research conducted by Selig 2011, Beck and Collegiate 2003, Donmans Denkir 2019, Srinivasan 2015, and Maulana 2012. So I can be convinced that online shopping initiatives have negative significant effect on perceived of use. Then there is the time and place of research. This research began in March until August 2022. August 2022 is considered sovereign time to college questioner. This research in DKI Jakarta by discovering Google from questionnaire their social media. Next is the measure scale. Research use measure like sick point in study, therefore can measure statement questionnaire, which range from strongly disagree to strongly agree. Next is the population and sample. The population of this research is customer to have shopped online for vitamin product in DKI Jakarta. In this study, the sampling technique with site non-probability sampling technique. The non-probability sampling method as in is for voice sampling. The characteristic of the sample need in the study, namely having done online shopping for vitamin product in e-commerce at less which during the pandemic, domicile in DKI Jakarta, and against 17 years. Next, there is the operationalization of variable. First, there is online shopping initiative variable in studies using 7 indicators. Research, Maulana 2011 and Nagar and Gandotra 2017. Second, there is a variable perceived as of use in the study using 6 indicators. Search, Sengit, and Friend 2019 and Maulana 2011. 3. There is a perceived benefit variable in this study using 11 indicators. Search, Kim and College 2018 and Dong and College 2021. Finally, there is the online shopping intention variable in the study using 5 indicators. Search Srinivasan 2015 and Maulana 2012. Finally, there is a data analysis technical which is divided into several phases. The first is this descriptive analysis. The descriptive analysis technical approach that the result used in the research is the presenting on the data in the form of graphic or table. Will the data calculation frequency and percentage score their invalidity test? It is very important to measure the validity of the questionnaire to determine where the questionnaire is valid or not. The validity test can be used for your research. To see the correlation in validity factor analysis is used. The factor analysis used by research in the study is CVA, confirmation factor analysis. Greece. 3. There in a reliability test, the research used reliability tests to insert that measure taken and they point into can be a reliability because time period preference to do not vary too much. In this study, researchers used Crontabet alpha to test the reliability content of the variable. Finally, there is a hypothesis test. Finally, there is a hypothesis test. The researcher uses the structural equipment modeling atau SEM technical to test the hypothesis. Researchers process and analyze research data using almost surface variation 2001. Variation 21. Step taken to test the reliability of the same model named suitability test and statistical test. Then equate the good of the criteria, namely 1. G customer statistician. 2. LMCAR. 3. GVI. 4. AGVI. 5. CMEN or BV. 6. GLE, Truth Levels Index, and CVA. Thank you for your time and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.